Learn in few minutes how to mine coins with your phone for free, without consuming data and battery life, and why this way is the future of cryptocurrencies. Most of us know the benefit of the revolution and independence that cryptocurrency world give, compared to classic economical system like banks. Charge for everything they provide and even more. Now we can pay anything and anywhere in the world instantly without bank fee and control. Unfortunately, the classic cryptocurrency consumes for mining gigantic physical resources, knowledge and massive computing power. For that reason, it's impossible for average people to participate and have benefits that cryptocurrency provide. As a result, only the very big mining farms and cash holders have significant advantage of cryptocurrency world now. So the dream for all, and independent, trapped to a few people again, and is almost lost. The innovation of Pi network with stellar consensus protocol, gives opportunity to all who are left behind, and don't have much cash or big mining farm in their pocket, to have a chance to participate with equal terms, in the benefits that only Pi and cryptocurrency world can give. Using only your smartphones for free, to start earning coins. The Pi network has good future prospects to succeed. Redistributing the profits and the benefits to all who are involved in this project. The core team seems to know what they are doing. It's so simple, free and safe, without consuming data and battery life. Download the app from the link below, follow the instructions and start mining now. First double-click the link, start download and install to your phone. After that, verify your identity with Facebook or phone number. Recommend to use phone number. If you choose phone number, to the next step select your country and write your number. Then, send an automatic message to take verification code. Enter the code and click continue. Set up your password and then your account by writing your name, surname, and username. It is better the username to be as simple as possible for future use by others. To the final step, you have to write who invited you by entering the invitation code. At the same time, you can participate to the earning team chat, to get answer if you have questions about the Pi network. Well done, you are ready to start mining coins with Pi network daily. Enjoy the new era in cryptocurrencies.